you break into a sweat with even the thought of having company? I'm here to help. After trying just a few of my hosting tips, you'll be more than ready to say, come on over. Well, we're setting up to film our next episode, and I thought, why not use this break time to answer some questions from my viewers? So here we go. Number one of the questions, who taught you to cook? That's an interesting question because I didn't have any formal cooking lessons. I did spend a lot of time in the kitchen with my mom and my grandmother and my Aunt Beverly, and we just kind of all learned to be doing different things in the kitchen. And so I would say before I moved south, I was more of a farm cook. When I moved south, I became more of a Southern cook.
I love Southern food. Chicken and waffles, fried chicken and waffles. Why?
In the kitchens of my friend Millie and my friend Betsy. And we love to cook together, and that's pretty much how I learned to do it. Another question is, who taught you to dress a table? That was also my mom and my grandmother, and then even more of it when I moved south. My mom always liked to have the table dressed beautifully, especially if we had company, but every table had placemats or tablecloths, real dishes, real silverware, a real glass, and all the side dishes were in bowls. There was no pan on the table, no bottle of ketchup on the table, no stick of butter just thrown onto the table. It was all in their own individual dishes, and I thought everybody did that. Come to find out, that's not true. So that's where I got that. Big question people ask me, where did you grow up, or did you really grow up on a farm? I really did grow up on a farm in central Michigan. You'll notice Michiganders do the hand. It was right dead center of the mitten.
Well, I knew you'd be the go-to gal. All things Michigan.
A very flat area, very rich, dark earth, and we grew all kinds of cash crop, corn, beans. We also grew specialty crops like cauliflower and pickles and peppers and onions and tomatoes. And I loved every minute of growing up on a farm. My mom likes to say, oh, you just remember the romantic part of farming, which is true because I left for college at 18 and kind of left the farm for good at that point.
New York is where I'd rather stay. I get allergic smelling hay.
But I loved growing up on the farm. I loved the lessons of completing a task. I loved the hard work ethic. I loved the teamwork ethic of us all working together to get a job done. It was a great way to grow up. We grew our own vegetables. We canned, we froze food. It was marvelous, and I highly recommend it.